This is Insta360, and today I'll show how you can remove the field of view distortion on this camera. So there are two ways you can approach that. So first way is to launch the Insta360 app, then make sure that your camera is connected to it, go into the camera view, tap over here and select the narrow field of view. This second method is to go ahead and take the action case, then here tap on this icon and once again select the narrow field of view or FOV. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. Thanks for watching and bye bye.